Hi guys, this is Mrs. Nelson. You're in group 4. Let's go ahead and get started. This should look really familiar and it shouldn't take you very long to finish. Alright, so all we're doing in this one again is finding the place values. So you have your ones, your tens, your hundreds, your thousands, and your 10,000s. Okay, same thing over here. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Alright, moving on. So again, what's the value of the underlying digit? This digit right here, it happens to be sitting in the hundreds, so that 9 is worth 900. This digit right here is sitting in the 20,000, is sitting in the 10,000s. So it's sitting in the 10,000. So 2 times 10,000 is 20,000. That's how much it's worth. Okay, there should be a comma right there. Should be a comma right here. Okay, write each digit in expanded form. You're just telling me how much each digit is worth. So we start with the 7. We have 7, and then there's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros behind it. 1, 2, 3, 4, plus the 3 plus 1, 2, 3 zeros, plus the 4 with 2 zeros behind it, 4 with 2 zeros behind it, plus the 1 with 1 zero behind it, plus the 6. Okay? We have the 4 with 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros behind it. So you have the 4 with 4 zeros behind it, plus the 8 with 3 zeros behind it, 1, 2, 3, plus the 8 with 2 zeros behind it, the 1 with 1 zero behind it, and the 7. And that's what that looks like in expanded form. We're going to write this whole entire thing in standard form. So you have 3, and then you have a 4, then you have a 6, a 3, and a 5. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 34,635. Okay, how many groups of 100 are in this number? How many groups of 100? So we're going to go to the hundreds place and circle everything behind the 3. So you have 913 groups of 100. How many thousands are in here? So I'm going to go to the thousands place and circle everything in front of it. 266. That'll be everything. You have questions? You have concerns? Come see me. See you later.